How can I cancel a transaction on Rocket Money? Intro. Hey there, you've just made a purchase on Rocket Money, and you realize you've made a mistake. Maybe you bought the wrong item, or perhaps you've simply changed your mind. What do? How can you cancel that transaction and get your money back? Hook. That's the question we're going to answer today. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of canceling a transaction on Rocket Money. So, if you've ever found yourself in this situation, stick around, because this video is for you. Understanding Rocket Money. Before we dive into the cancellation process, let's quickly recap what Rocket Money is and how it works. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you manage your finances more effectively. It can track your spending, identify savings opportunities, and even negotiate bills on your behalf. One of the key features of Rocket Money is its ability to help you cancel unwanted subscriptions. But what if you've made a one-time purchase and want to cancel it instead? That's where this video comes in. The cancellation process. Now, let's get to the main event, how to cancel a transaction on Rocket Money. Log into your Rocket Money account. The first step is to open the Rocket Money app on your smartphone or log into the website on your computer. Navigate to your transactions. Once you're logged in, look for the Transactions section. This is where you'll find a list of all your recent purchases. Locate the transaction you want to cancel. Scroll through your transactions until you find the one you want to cancel. It should show the merchant's name, the purchase amount, and the date. Tap or click on the transaction. When you find the right transaction, tap or click on it to view more details. Look for the Cancel option. Depending on the merchant and the type of purchase, you may see a Cancel or Dispute button. If you don't see it immediately, look for a Help or Contact Support option. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've found the appropriate option, tap or click on it and follow the on-screen instructions. Rocket Money may ask you to provide additional information, such as the reason for the cancellation or a description of the issue. Submit your request. After providing the necessary details, submit your cancellation request. Rocket Money will process it and notify you of the outcome. Additional tips. While the basic steps for canceling a transaction on Rocket Money are relatively straightforward, there are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Act quickly. The sooner you cancel a transaction, the more likely you are to be successful. If you notice a mistake immediately, don't hesitate to take action. Check your merchant's policy. Some merchants may have specific policies regarding cancellations. It's a good idea to review the merchant's terms and conditions to see if there are any restrictions or requirements. Be prepared to provide evidence. If you're disputing a charge, Rocket Money may ask you to provide evidence to support your claim. This could include receipts, emails, or screenshots. Contact the merchant directly. In some cases, it may be necessary to contact the merchant directly to resolve the issue. Rocket Money can often help you with this process. Conclusion. So, there you have it. That's how you can cancel a transaction on Rocket Money. By following these steps and keeping these tips in mind, you can hopefully resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. Remember, if you encounter any difficulties or have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Rocket Money's customer support. They're there to help you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.